23rd Sunday in Ordinary Time, the cost of discipleship. Jesus also compares true discipleship to a king who is set to go on a battle. He must have an accurate head count of his troops and realistic assessment of his chance for victory. If the prospect for victory is slim, then the more prudent option is to negotiate for peace with the enemy. We need to make an honest assessment of our own desire to serve the Lord as His disciples. We need to conquer our human limitations like our doubts, anxieties, and our lack of faith and trust in God. We need to ask Him to help us grow where we are spiritually deficient so that we can truly surrender and entrust our life in His mercy. Please like and subscribe.